Good afternoon, and welcome to the evening edition of the Morning News. As we know, America beat China yet again in mini bowling. In other news, a new study reveals the truth about bingo, and it's quite upsetting, legitimately. And for the news about this tragic event, we go to our statman, Peter Brown, who's informed us on many past occasions.
Hello there, I'm Peter Brown, and the purpose of our investigation was to find the probability of winning bingo in the first 20 numbers go. Sir, you there? Please stop laughing. And that's when the tragedy occurred. My bad, Phyllis. I forgot to switch to the statistician. Alright, peace out. I love y'all.
Hello, my name is Peter Russell. Now I will explain to you very slowly how our experiment was conducted. But first, let us see a couple videos on how the game was played.
I-22. What they say? What you say? I-23.
G22. G371.
Excuse me? No 71.
What?
There's no 71.
What number am I going to?
Sorry.
Can I stop?
Ah, Doritos. Thanks.
No problem. Snuck these out of Tim's locker. What's the big deal?
No. This is bad. Tim loves Doritos.
So, who doesn't?
Hide these! We gotta get out of here before... Get him!
The statisticians legitimately wanted to play the game of bingo, so they decided to make bingo boards. The learning team used the random number generator in their TI-84 to generate numbers for their respective columns. The first column consists of 5 random numbers from 1 to 15. The second column consists of 5 random numbers from 16 to 30. The third column consists of 4 random numbers from 31 to 45, and a free space in the middle of the box of the column. The fourth column consists of 5 random numbers from 46 to 60, and lastly, the fifth column consists of 5 random numbers from 61 to 75. The learning team drew 2 bingo boards on one side of the graph paper and 2 on the opposite side of the paper. In total, there were 4 bingo boards per paper, excluding some that only had 2. In total, there were 224 bingo boards. The next step in the learning team's investigation was to play the game. The members of the learning team played with 6 bingo boards at a time. To play the game, one of the players randomly generated 20 numbers from 1 to 75 using the random number generator in the TI-84, and then they wrote it down in a piece of paper, making sure they weren't repeated. The 2 players then used the recorded numbers to play regular bingo on the 6 bingo boards. The learning team then recorded it if it was a success or failure and the number of bingos won.
Okay, now that Mr. Peter Russell has gone over how we did the experiment, I'm going to go over the results of our overall experiment, okay? Okay, we played bingo 224 times. 224 times! And we got bingo only 8 times. Legitimate bingo.
Legit.
Yeah, he's right, you know?
Security!
The proportion of the number of bingo games won over the total number of bingo games played is 8 over 224, which is equal to 0.0357. After calculating the proportion, we used the one sample z-interval for proportion on a 95% confidence level. After performing this statistical method, we got a confidence interval of 0.01141 to 0.06002, which means that the true probability of winning a bingo game in the first 20 numbers called is captured in this interval 95% of the time.
Bingo is a traditional game that has been played for a long time. The elderly play it mostly to pass time. The experiment that the learning team conducted went well, without any errors. And that concludes our show. I'm signing off, and for you seniors out there, have good luck next year in college and whatever you do.
Legit, bro!
Oh, hell yeah!